Okay, hello. This is Goodison Gamer once again, and welcome to Bobble on the Commodore 64. Okay, this is a game I remember from back in my childhood. I played it at my friends' homes various times and I had a lot of fun with it. So let's revisit this game after all these years. Okay, so let's see here. Yep, here we go. Bobble. Plus fire for Bobble. Can do that. 1 or 2 players. 1 player, please. This is nostalgia. Listen to this tune here. Awesome. And I have the blue bubbles here in order to catch the enemies here. And when I collect the fruits here, it will give me more points. So let's go up and collect these bubbles here. And try to take out the enemies here. 1 go to go. Oops. Now I got everyone, but I lost a life, I think. So there you go. So I have 10 lives, I think. 10 credits. So to come on here. There you go. Now I got everyone here. Oh, cocktail glass. Cool. So I have only limited time to collect the fruits and everything here. Now it's getting a little bit more tricky here. But come over here. Yeah, I think I got them all. This is just awesome game. And if I jump down, I will turn up in the upper screen, so to speak. I hope the volume is okay here. So it's not too loud or anything. So there you go. Oops, what happened here? Aha, I got some kind of diamond up here. So here we go again. Yeah, it was quite some time I played this game. I have tried the NES version actually. Shit, lost another life there. The NES version is really nice. I will review that at some point later. But I have not really... I'm not the hardcore player of this game. I mean, it's a classic game. I'll revisit it from time to time, you know. Just to kill off like 15 minutes, 20 minutes here and there. It's just an enjoyment to play. So I will... This is not a gameplay video. I will just try out a few... Shit! Ugh. I was in circle there. No, shit, that was sloppy of me. Where am I? Okay, shit. There you go. 1 enemy to go. Can you jump up here, please? Oops. There you go. So there you go. Yeah, this version is excellent, but I don't think I have ever played the original arcade version, to be honest. Cannot remember it. So it has always been this version or the Nintendo 8-bit version that I have tried out. No, shit! So I push upwards on my analog stick here, or D-pad. I prefer it to to use a button, but it was a Commodore 64. This was played with a joystick, and you pushed upwards on a joystick in order to jump, so it makes it pretty fair actually. But I prefer using a button when I jump or shoot or anything. So there you go, Bobble Bobble on the Commodore 64 is a bloody brilliant conversion. Brilliant game, awesome, nostalgic. I really recommend it to everyone. I will give it an 8 out of 10 for this one. So there you go, thank you for watching everyone. Take care of yourselves and have a good one. Goodbye.